Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. Before we get into it, let's give this video a thumbs up. If you're new around here, go ahead and hit subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. So AMC, we sitting at $18.52, up over 6% on the day. Great day so far ahead of us, guys. Solid day. Nice mood change, as I call it. We know it's a mood change because even though we, haven't done anything surprising just yet, we know it changed the mood of everybody in the community. Even if we only went up 50 cents, a dollar and 50 cents, it don't matter. Being for the fact that we is in the green, up over 6%, things is looking to be going in our favor, it changes the mood of everything. You can even tell the mood in the atmosphere in the comments. You probably won't see no hate comments on this video, but then again, you probably will because I just said something about it. So come on, bring them out, bring the comments out. I'm waiting for them. Only thing y'all gonna do is boost the algorithm. So anyways, guys, like I say though, the mood is changing, the price action is changing, and it is time to run up once again, guys. I told you guys it's going to be a lot of volatility this year. We could see $20-$25 swings to the upside, downside. I expected a $20 swing to the upside, how we did from 13 all the way to 33. That was a $20 swing to the upside, but I didn't expect the $20 swing to the downside to come soon after. No, I wasn't expecting that, didn't call that, but I did expect for us to have some bigger swings in this year, guys, as the stock price continue to trend up, and if the community still stay sane and stay involved in this security, we do see some major price action coming about. But like I always say, guys, don't start chasing it as it starts to run up. You want to buy in the red days as it's pulling back, and never get carried away and think, oh, whenever it's running, oh, it's hype, it's back on, it's going to the to the moon, let me put everything in on it. No, hope you guys get a learning experience, being for the fact that even if people is wrong, the ones that's trying to protect you and make sure you only put in what you're willing to lose, even if those people are wrong, it'll still prepare you for what's to come, whether you continue with the stock market afterwards or if you don't. It's just the fact that you don't want to learn the wrong things with finances. You don't want to just go to the moon with putting everything on the line like that, because one day it'll come back and bite you in the ass by putting all your wealth on one thing and betting on it like that. So my thing is just, guys, I'm very conservative. I like to protect my wealth, my assets, and protect my earnings rather than try to make the next move or make the next win, if that makes sense. If it don't make sense now, it soon and eventually will. Instead of focusing on more, try focusing on protecting what you already got instead of making bogus moves and steady losing your wealth. So anyways, guys, like I say, AMC could be a tricky situation, being for the fact that we do have a gap fill that need to be closed after breaking through 20 support as we hit that downturn a previous week ago. We supposedly, theoretically, judging by the charts and what experiencing investors and day traders be looking for to load up, and that demand levels was coming down to $15.74, right around that $14-15 range, guys, to close that gap, then make a real reversal. But like I said, due to the fact that we was already prepared for this, we prepared for anything that the market or the market makers try and be sneaky and throw our way. We don't want to speak too soon, but like I said, they could possibly not let it go all the way down to that level of the gap fill where it's supposed to close at, to keep psychological points of the market everywhere, have people thinking, oh, it didn't close yet, should I load now, should I do this, make it more trickier, make it more sketchy, make it more you ain't gonna put in the same amount of money if you would have if that gap fill would have closed. So if people is buying now, they buying conservatively because they don't know if it's going to reroute and come back down or not. And that's the thing, guys. That's why you never want to just wait for one specific level. Whenever it's in the buy zone, buy opportunity, I call it, you want to buy increments. You want to start nibbling in. This if you don't have your desired amount of your quantity in shares. If you don't have your desired amount just yet, you want to buy in increments. Buy as it's coming down and close to that level that is your real demand level. Then as you buy in the increments, once it gets to that, if it ever reach that main point to where the gap fill supposedly come down to, that's when you load your big amount. That's when you put the last little bit, or the last, I want to say the biggest chunk for if it hit that level. And if it don't hit that level, that means I never got my desired amount of shares, but I'm still in the game and I'm still able to make profits. That way I'm just, I'm keeping me insane. I'm stretching my money out. I'm playing it at every single angle possible. So that way I ain't load all the way up at the $18 level and come down to 14, 15. And then I done spent all my money and I'm nervous. Like, it gotta go up from here. If it don't go up from this level, I'm be even scared if it start trending lower. But if that was the case and you just bought in increments, you wouldn't be as scared, because it done came down to that lower level. And now you like, I still got more money to load up. And once you put your last bread on it, then you able to just watch it rise from there. And if it don't have as a reversal from there, you could sell out all your shares, and then you'll still have a low average, and you won't sell for a bigger loss as you would have from 18 to 15, because you was just buying in increments and you bought your last bunch at $14, $15 level, which brought your average down to $16, and you just lost $1 and some change a share instead of $3. So you saved yourself some money, guys. So anyways, that's all I got for this video. Just want to get this out there, share my thoughts, my opinions on what's going on, guys. Like I told you, the market is ready to turn around. AMC GME ready to turn around. We didn't expect the volatility that we experienced in the past month like we did, but hey, that's what comes with the territory. That's what comes with doing what we did as a whole. And you already know, we gone.